Hi there, it's George here. Did you remember when I sowed some seeds of Washingtonia palm tree seeds? And here we go, they germinated. They're looking beautiful. I did make a short video when they germinated, but now I have to repot. And they will grow on the banana leaves, and that's it. But have to repot all these palm trees and separate pots. Let's do that. Oh my god, they stuck here, you know. But let's. Oh my god. Well, these palm trees I have to divide, and I selected these pots, about 7 pots, and I hope they will like these pots. But first let's water to remove easy, and then we have to repot. Now it's time for repotting. And I hope I will remove those palm trees easy from the pot. Here we go. As you can see the root system close up, they were growing very beautiful, and we should very careful divide these palm trees, and then will grow beautiful, and I will have 7 palm trees. I separated the palm trees successful, and now I have to plant them. And I have to use universal potting soil with pH 5 to 5 to 6.5. First I will have to add a little bit of potting soil in these pots, and then we have to plant the palm trees. The plate, here are holes on the pot, you know. As you can see, I don't need to make holes. Now let's plant. And the last one finally. This I finished, and now I have to water these beautiful palm trees. By the way, take a look here. As you can see, who's sleeping. Well, now I have to water these palm trees with water at the room temperature, or you know. Let's do that. If the potting soil sits, we have to add a layer of potting soil above. this is the final result, and I'm sure they will grow very beautiful, these beautiful palm trees, and I will have to show you an update when they will grow more. So thanks a lot for watching to the end, that really means a lot for my channel, and greetings from Moldova. I'll catch you next time. George was here. Bye bye.